Maayong buntag and welcome to Let's Learn Cebuano. Today we're going to improve your Cebuano vocabulary by adding terminologies related to the Holy Week and the Lenten season. So since Lenten season officially begins on Ash Wednesday, let's begin with that. Ash Wednesday is Miyerkules Sabadlis. Miyerkules Sabadlis. Okay, the entire Holy Week is called Semana Santa, and it begins with Palm Sunday, which is Bendita Lucay. Bendita Lucay. Second is Holy Monday, which is Lunes Santo. Lunes Santo. Next, Holy Tuesday, which is Martes Santo. Martes Santo. Next is Holy Wednesday, which is Miyerkules Santo. Miyerkules Santo. Then, Monday, Thursday is Huibis Santo. Huibis Santo. Next is Good Friday, and that is Biyernes Santo. Biyernes Santo. Then it's Black Saturday or Sabado de Gloria. Sabado de Gloria. And the last is Easter Sunday, which is Pasko sa Pagkabanhaw. Pasko sa Pagkabanhaw. By the way, the entire Lenten season is called Quaresma. Quaresma. And Holy Week is Semana Santa. So if you're learning Spanish or you speak Spanish, that'll be easy for you to understand. So that's it, folks. I hope you enjoy the Holy Week practices of the Filipinos. Salamat kaayo. Kita ta sunod.